Welcome, today I'm with AirPods 3 and I'll show you how you can open the AirPods settings when you are connected with the iPhone, and basically with any other iOS device it will look identical. So at first we have to for sure open the case of the AirPods, then be connected, then tap on the settings, go for the Bluetooth, find our AirPods. Oh, I have here some kind of the bug. Okay, right now it's back, so we are connected. You have to be connected and then tap on the information icon. And here we are. As you can see, you can find here a lot of options, like for example, you can rename, you can activate or deactivate automatic ear detection. You can also switch this option to connect to this iPhone automatically. You can use the spatial audio, set up microphone, optimize battery charging, and take a look on the things like, for example, the serial number, model, version, and also the warranty. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.